Hey everyone! Welcome back to the ECA Tech channel. If you're using WordPress, you know that plugins are one of the best ways to add functionality to your site. Whether you want to improve SEO, add social sharing buttons, or even create a membership site, there's a plugin for that. But with so many plugins available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Today, I'm going to share some essential tips on how to choose, manage, and optimize WordPress plugins to get the most out of your website. Let's get started. With over 50,000 plugins in the WordPress repository alone, it can be tempting to install a bunch of them. But not all plugins are created equal. Before you install anything, do some research. Look for plugins with good reviews, high ratings, and regular updates. Check the plugin support forum to see how responsive the developer is to issues. And most importantly, make sure the plugin is compatible with your version of WordPress. Choosing reliable plugins from reputable developers will save you a lot of trouble in the long run. It's easy to go overboard with plugins, but more isn't always better. Each plugin you add to your site can potentially slow it down, create security vulnerabilities, or cause conflicts with other plugins. Before installing a new plugin, ask yourself if it's truly necessary. Can you achieve the same result with a little custom code, or by tweaking your theme? Regularly audit your plugins and deactivate or delete those that you no longer need. Keeping your plugin list lean helps maintain your site's speed, security, and overall health. Before you activate a new plugin on your live site, it's a good idea to test it first. Set up a staging environment, a clone of your live site, where you can safely experiment with new plugins. This allows you to check for any conflicts or performance issues without affecting your users. Once you've confirmed that the plugin works well in staging, you can confidently activate it on your live site. This extra step can save you from unexpected problems and ensure that your site runs smoothly. Outdated plugins are one of the most common causes of security vulnerabilities on WordPress sites. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs, patch security holes, and add new features. Keeping your plugins updated is crucial for maintaining your site's security and functionality. However, don't just hit the update button blindly, read the update notes to see what's changed, and if possible, test the update in your staging environment first. Regularly updating your plugins helps protect your site from threats and keeps everything running smoothly. After installing a new plugin, it's important to keep an eye on your site's performance. Some plugins can slow down your site, especially if they're poorly coded or resource-intensive. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, Jeep Metrics, or your web host's performance monitoring tools to track your site's speed and performance. If you notice a significant slowdown after installing a plugin, it might be worth reconsidering whether that plugin is truly necessary. Always prioritize your site's performance for the best user experience. And there you have it, some essential tips for managing WordPress plugins effectively. From choosing the right plugins and keeping them updated to testing before going live and monitoring performance, these strategies will help you keep your WordPress site running smoothly and securely. Plugins are incredibly powerful tools, but they need to be managed carefully to avoid potential pitfalls. Thanks for tuning in.